Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Simple passwords are easy to break for hackers, which is why it is very important to secure your password. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a secure password. Your password must fulfill the following criteria. Length: make sure your password is at least 8 to 10 characters long. The longer the password, the harder it is to crack. Complexity: use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, such as @ hash, dollar, %, etc. in your password. Avoid dictionary words. Don't use common words, phrases, or information that can be easily guessed, such as your name, birth date, or pet's name. Unique: use a unique password for each account you have. If a hacker discovers one of your passwords, they won't be able to access all of your accounts. Avoid patterns. Don't use easily guessable patterns, such as 1 2 3 4 5 6 40 or @123. Passphrases: consider using a passphrase instead of a password. A passphrase is a longer combination of words, such as correct horse battery staple. Use a password manager. Consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords for you. This way, you only have to remember one master password to access all of your accounts. Remember, a strong password is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your online accounts from unauthorized access. By creating a strong and unique password for each account, you can help ensure the security of your personal information.